Morning guys, so the sun is beautiful. We've had a week of rain, freezing rain, frost, cold weather. So I wanted to show you how the hotbed's doing. When I opened it up this morning, there was steam coming up. Generally where you'll see the steam is anywhere that you move something. Like if I move that tray, generally what you'll see is you'll see the steam that comes up. But it has to be something heavy. Because the heat is going up into whatever's on top of it, and if it's just a tray, oh, there we go. See if I can catch it. Okay, we have a very bright sun right now and I've got to keep the camera out of it. I have some old seeds from a hardware store. I'm going to scatter them now because the bed is still pretty hot. It's one of those things you don't want to do, is you don't want to plant your seeds directly into the soil when it's still warm, and it's quite warm. So the likelihood is that these will be cooked. The other plants in there are doing just fine. I do use my grow bed for general heavy-duty growing once the season gets started. But early in the year, I use it for a lot of experimentation. I want to see at what time during the year is it safe to plant things in and what will do well there. Generally what you want to do is start your hotbed in January and plant your hotbed the 15th of February, because that's when the sun starts to increase and there's actually enough photosynthesis happening that the plants can actually take off. So cheap seeds, the bed is still quite hot. I'm going to first charge it with some rabbit manure tea so that it doesn't cool down too much. And so we'll go from there.